Well, I just want to first, on behalf of Makana and Megan, welcome all the guests that are with us online, as well as the very special family that's here. It's my honor to be here today, as I was asked by these two amazing people to be a part of this day. And getting to know you guys over the last couple of years has been remarkable. And being here today, it is my pleasure to see what you guys have gone through, see what you guys had to grow through, and just know that this is a special day. So just like we're here in 2020, very unique year, I wanted to share a quick story of how Megan and Makana met. See, Megan and Makana met while Makana was working at a drive-through Starbucks. Megan and her friends came through the drive-through, and that's where they first met. And now we're here today, celebrating them in a drive-through reception. I just find it fitting.
You have fought through every hurdle to make it to this moment. 2020 was full of uncertainty, but looking forward to this day, the celebration of your beautiful love story has been a bright light for all of us. Continue to be each other's champion and know that I'm here for you both at every turn. Congratulations to the David family, Megan, Makana, and Maya. We love you.
Megan, you are my best friend and greatest pillow fighter foe. I pray to God every day for comfort, strength, and to be guided in my life, and He answered that prayer on that fateful night when you decided to get coffee. The easiest decision I ever made was to pursue you, even though I was 2 hours late on our second date. I promise to watch The Office with you, as long as we can watch some Game of Thrones here and there. And I will sing Frozen songs, because love is an open door. But I'll also quote Lord of the Rings, because you are my precious. I promise to become the right person that you need me to be, growing together as one, like God intended us to be. Giving you the best parts of me that fit perfectly with the best parts of you. I will forever respect, honor, trust, and be faithful to you as we begin this new chapter in our life. It won't be easy, but we have God, each other, our amazing family, and the very best of friends. It will take hard work, commitment, determination, grit, and a lot of patience. Love is in action, and it's something I'll work hard for every day, so I have the privilege of showing and telling you I love you. Together, we will create a home, a family, and build a beautiful life that we will cherish forever. For Miss Murphy, to Crybaby, to the wife, to my wife, I give you my heart, my love, and so much more, because I love you more.
Makana, my Starbucks barista, my best friend, my soon-to-be husband, and my person. People ask me, what was the moment I knew that you were the one?
And my answer is, I really don't know. But that's because it's the little moments every day that continuously remind me how you're the one. It's the moments when we slow dance in the kitchen with me standing on your feet. It's the moments when you tell me you don't like The Office but still sing along to the theme song from the other room. The moments when you sing that love song to me that I made to the tune of Take On Me. It's those moments every day that remind me why you're the one. I promise to always see you with the same eyes and heart that I see you with at this exact moment. So today, I vow to honor and respect you, support and encourage you. I promise to dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever life may bring. I vow to laugh with you and comfort you during times of joy and success. Promise to always fight for you and love you unconditionally for the rest of my life. You are my best friend, and I'm the luckiest person to call you mine. I love you. Maya, today we officially become one family, and I have some promises and words that I'd like to share with you. When you first came into my life, I was worried that I wouldn't be ready to be the person that you needed me to be. I wasn't sure if I would be a good stepmom. I met you and it pushed me to be better every day. I wasn't there for you when you were born or when you took your first steps. But I promised to try my best to never miss another first. I promise to protect you and stand by you, listen to you, and love you every day of my life. I promise to throw a ball with you and Dad after work. Just be prepared to run after it because I'm not running, okay? And I promise you will have one big, happy family to love you for the rest of your life. Maya, you are such a handsome and smart and kind young man. You've helped to shape me into the woman I am today, and I may not have given you the gift of life, but life surely gave me the gift of you. I love you.
These plans, these quiet dreams are writing out the story of you and me. Pages filled with pencil marks, and all along you had my heart and love. You're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need. Every smile and photograph, we're finding ways to make these moments last. Anytime when I'm with you, I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on, darling, moving close. I just wanna let you know that love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need.
You know, finally uniting your guys' family, something that I think all of us here present have been waiting a long time for. So congratulations, you guys. You two have always and will always continue to remind us to make sure that we cherish those little moments in marriage that come together to create this beautiful book titled Life. So raise your glasses once again. Bride and groom, whose blank pages have yet to be written. You guys are going to change the world. We love you guys.
So, with these beautiful vows shared today and the commitment that they've made to one another, I ask that the families and all the friends that are not only here but also online and will come throughout your lives, that we also commit to pushing them closer and closer every day. And as a friend, I'll fight with you and for you. So with that, it's time for you to kiss your bride.